Yɛde ntiaso nkoma mu nyinaa ekosi sɛn so ne ɛwɔ Asempa 94.7 FM. The 22nd day of May 2019. It's a brand new Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, sorry about that. Hey, yeah. Nafeco spray starter say MoneyGram, African Queen Mackerel, CB Men and Women capsules, and a new kid on the block on the show, EcoBank, Ebuayen and Eriekosi Sanjumedi, Ebremio, Echelon Engineering, Sasso Insecticide Spray and Coil, Kojak Pharmacy Limited, Roma Insecticide Spray, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. What's the phone, Papa Pafie? And Yebeda EcoBank say for believing in us, believing in the show, and for joining us. A long list of sponsors, and like Oliver Twist, no, we need more. Open results for products for organization. Open say among for baby na etewonka baby also obo the rule and dwumadie eso. Ekosi say ma yenchia wana ehwe on Facebook the kakra na fe yentumi nto aso Jima Boache says good afternoon Obi, I'm Tommy watching you live from London, and we have Oba Sika Kwansema says watching you live from United Kingdom, Dartford, to be precise, Dartford. And the more and more Dartford, I'm more sharing live on Facebook. Okay, Nana Sokwa says South Africa is making money exporting marijuana to Canada. Ghana is always late to the party. Legalize it. Nana Asokwa, thank you. Patrick Imboma says, good afternoon, Obi. I'm happy Captain Asamoah Gyan is back. Greetings to you, watching you live from New York City. New York City. Okay, Joe Kennedy says Edinkra Radio in New York City is also picking the show live. Edinkra Radio, New York City. Richard Apia says, Obi, my greetings to you from Takrade, your regular listener. From your days at Asempa FM in Takrade, and I'm in Accra for the Job Fair 2019. Okay, Enra Yedi Hunkomo say enne sa Job Fair no baso the Fantasy Dome Trade Fair La Accra. And here be a 9 a.m. the shares, and I would want to believe, say, by now they are still there. Upe Juma, you have to be there at that job fair. Ubenye Juma Ayenti. Greetings to you, Richard Apia, and all of you there. Mutie and area. Patrick Yabua says, good afternoon, Osai watching you live from Birmingham City in the United Kingdom. And Francis Ewuja says, watching live from Stamford in Connecticut. And there's one here which says, I'm watching you live from the Ghana Technology University College campus. Dennis Amwako, thank you. Good day. It's wide open inside Suhum T Junction. And he says, greetings to Honorable Kojo Opon Nkrumah and Honorable Brian Achampon. On that note, Mamin Kaimo say, we have a one-on-one interview with the Minister of Information of our Republic, Kojo Opon Nkrumah, Member of Parliament of Fwasi Ayerebi constituency. In the end, it's not yet in Komo. Kojo Opon Nkrumah is our guest on the show this Wednesday afternoon. And it's a time with the Information Minister. Oh, question be a brain. Ubeyano Ediama. What we'll do, and so we'll start off by asking some of your questions. More questions are more brain into your WhatsApp line 0546 382 287 0546 382 287 and your WhatsApp line. We'll be timid or messages are fast for brain. Say honorable the cancer. Yebebusa na afo timi yi ano ede amamo yen hyase ne yen fa me here some segment den hyemase Eco Bank eboa yen na yede ebremo na enra me hyem bosa me ne the chairperson of the Electoral Commission interview, but let me also add say enra chairperson and the team, the two deputy chairpersons and a team from the Electoral Commission pay courtesy call on us at multimedia and management and some talk show host eba be meeting. It was, the usual courtesy call to tell us what the EC has been up to since August last year up until now, and then your more going forward to me aye. But on the sidelines of some meeting, no, many Mrs. Jean Mensa etna si edi in komo na yen konkotie nsema odi tu dwane bi okasa fa nioma bebre na eho. Take a listen. Enra, the former president Ekai, said he cannot trust the neutrality of the commission, and especially who as the chairperson no who posturing enya de obetimi trust edena obekaja.
Well, it's a unfortunate say, such a statement be out, because I believe say we have a very open and transparent process. The parts na juma inti we show IPAC started say ye be bomodena every month. Discussions with IPAC in an open and transparent manner. Ye be boa na reach consensus on the issues. It is unfortunate say obekasa, but it will be good say highlight examples are say neutral, and I think say I've opened up processes system running is a very open system into BR to make access information flow so regularly press conferences briefing media, we are interacting with them, engaging one we should ropa representatives or parties my representatives call chrome regions parties the media partners into the until I don't name why that issue of neutrality bebaso. Now, in spite of that, no, I think say stress systems are into onipa neutral or neutral effect ben to me our elections no so, and me per se me assure former president any amanfoɔ nyinaa sɛ nipa baako ntumi nyɛ anything. Indeed, wohwɛ commission ne kra ɛte hɔ no, commission ne ntumi nyɛ hwee. Yɛn processes no free 1992 systems no it has been built into wohwɛ yɛ free opaque boxes na yɛ call transparent boxes. Wohwɛ 2012 election petition yi, wohwɛ pink sheets here yɛde buy ebetu adwa sɛ woyɛ election wokan a obi anya bi nti systems no nyinaa yɛ very very tight. Nti wohwɛ from 1992 to date ability to rig the elections impossible. And just obi a ne timu yɛ din a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde mindful nyinaa kɔ war. Obi a ɔyɛ wicked person a ɔbɛtumi di ɔman na kɔ war nti yɛ elections na yɛ obi a nim sɛ results so say a ɔno pɛ ɔte electoral commission hɔ ɔse ɛnyɛ saa. Now that is not possible. We share the role of media, the role of stakeholders. Yɛmfa no free registration. We started registration a we brief parties 21 days to the registration. Say yɛbɛyɛ registration o obi amfa no agency mbra. Na wakyerɛ ɔmo nyinaa locations a wobɛyɛ registration no wɔ. Nti obi ayɛ ready. Wohwɛ equipment ɛwɔ hɔ no. Equipment no has been built say every day biara ɛbɛ printi wo start a wobɛhu sɛ 0 no obi an register nti system no bia afei na ya sha nti agents no wɔ hɔ. Nti every day at the end of every day no obi abenya print out of the number of people registered along we no polling station and now we no district offices a wobɛtumi anya sa print out no. Additionally no agents no betumi akan number of people la ye register nti party bia betumi build this system say at the end of the day mun WhatsApp nipa dodo a ye register across every polling station na mun fambra central point nti ombetumi akoleti niam nkrofo a ya register nti electoral commission into me fa ba ko nipa ba ko po nka ho. Electoral commission on to me fa nipa ba ko po nka ho. Who call exhibition no so processes no very transparent and also parties omo wo ho exhibition no ye be register no mu nti omo amo register omo betumi abe check omo details nti parties no so omo wo ho. Who call printing a who call printing of the ballots cra parties no ye chair every printing house a ye from day one ye ma on schedule nti omo agents da ho omo nim amount of ballot papers a who be printing for every polling station. Now every polling station so one serial number into me fa serial number for shame numbers are ube 24 every polling station no so omunim into polling station A 800 na so printia parties no omu nyina omu wo details no nyina into come election day na wo ballot 1000 na obetumi a challenge you say they be enyesa serial number we na say wo polling station yi number yi na say wo on to me obetumi a challenge you say there we know is wrong. Now to add to it so we should register so printing registers my political parties. Okay. Into register polling station by polling station omu nyina wo register into call polling station A or nipa dodo a so be register into e bia wo 800 ho na come election they will see 900 for a vote here obetumi a challenge you into and to me mbasa say electoral commission be ye bibi Usha officials are a temporary officers are ya appointee say money election. Ebe na electoral commission ni nyina. Na apart from that, electoral commission ni mwampoa. Polling parties no nyina wo agents wo ho. Na apart from that no register no say yedi ma party bia ansa na yako election no photograph din details baby te enti party bia or share register no so na our problem ni any of them obetumi a challenge say we dey be or your card bearing member or call meeting wo party so enti yempese obeye returning officer yempese obeye laminator wo process polling station enti obetumi ayi no enti processes no are very watertight. Into along the way bia no parties no are involved, society no be o person onim so civil society for omo person we involved almost so yemawo the processes are open, they are transparent, they are accountable. Into electoral commission from beginning to the end on to me yeshwi uba day of election so and also bia ti ho uba to me have got now polling station now we share the ekoso. Be county results no so it is an open and transparent manner. year 2012 election reforms any petition any reforms any by say pink sheets near here into electoral commission or prentice pink sheets no in triplicates into Eddie calling station into you almost share na results soon party anya say na collation officer ye trustwa or you or the ma obia party bia anya copy into gone where the days sir pink sheets ni ebi ni ho uko na we di wo polling station bia eno anu say wa ma ho so uko fi unni evidence bia unni wa cho wa wonsem ana wa paper keto abi na wa cho so nan say entisa obia one paper no ye cho was so I called down to the 50th copy.
If you raise the issue, sir, during the transmission, electronic transmission process, and a month would be changing results. Is it possible?
Well, mean Jin this say a BBA to me see.
Okay.
And to me and mean Jin this say a BBA to me see. You know, because we are setting up a system very well. A better Nasa Semasi. Now thank God for media houses to say Joy FM and all other media houses are on more beer money, on more spending on more resources, on more manpower, no more the policy ballot. No. We shared 2016 elections here. Oh, most media houses, Joy FM and other media houses, omunyina mountie, omu collate results. Inti obedient to me, you actually inti the allegations of neutrality no dear and found
it doesn't even come.
It doesn't come out. To me, yeah, anything unless say we are Hitler, who per se the country equal war. Now I can assure the people of this country that I believe in transparency. I stand for accountability. I stand for fairness. I stand for integrity. I stand to create a level playing field to enable parties to compete in a fair, transparent manner. I stand, my team and I also stand to, tighten the screws. And therefore, if the public or political parties or the media is aware of any aspects of the line that I've mentioned, from registration right down to voting, where the systems, where the screws are not tight, we're looking forward to that engagement where you bet to meet the one more year. A Juma ya tighten schools no. Ye per se Ghana for omunya confidence obi abet to me into bed say electoral commission on to me yeshwe.
Me booster this final question. Ebia ka say yes. Systems no solid said ya waka no parties ni nyina involved omunim processes no IPAC meetings ekoso. But ebin so ka say the example of the commission chairperson and the signals you send with the posturing. I remember, sir, the largest opposition party raising issues about you even attending party via female appointees a year. And they feel, sir, that was problematic and sending the right signals. Is it something I will regret personally?
I have no regrets about that. And me believe, say, I haven't and me bar public space no more. And we had been at the Institute of Economic Affairs as executive director, and some of these accusations are not new. But this is not the first time I've been in the public space, and until I may value issues of neutrality, I may hold it very, very dear. The who can't say we went to female appointees. It was Minister for Foreign Affairs, dear for female appointees across board. So it was not a party event. Nobody would find me at a party event because I do not belong to any party. I have never belonged to any party, and I say on authority that you do not bear party card belonging to any political party. It was an event all year for female appointees, including foreign ambassadors, female foreign ambassadors of faraway countries. So it was a cross-cutting event with female leaders, not only in Ghana, but ambassadors representing their various countries. And that's what it was. That's what the event was about. It was not to discuss anything about a political party, but to celebrate the achievements of women.
With the benefit of hindsight,
I don't regret it. As I said, and yet BBA, I don't see why that should be a problem for anybody. Because if we go into it, we look at it and we look at the event. I don't see why any other leader, whether from party A or party B, should have an event for celebrating the accomplishments of women and inviting me, and me not going. I don't have any regrets about it.
Ekusi saying on Asempa FM
94.7 Asempa FM. So that was the interviewer, Mrs. Jean Mensah, a chairperson of the Electoral Commission of the Republic of Ghana. And he basically had 2-3 issues. Number one was on former President Mahama Ekai earlier said he doesn't trust the neutrality of the current Electoral Commission and its chairperson and the posturing of the chairperson and the Intimi Busano. It's our first question, no? And she tried to take us through processes and systems you build over the years as far as the election no air concerned. And essentially point I know making is say a better day and say obi uwo electoral commission because the war rig elections Ghana. It's virtually impossible. So I just say Hitler. Now, person wouldn't talk on about my it's extremely difficult. And I think, sir, Moted, your kind me busan about a party, as your core, yeah, and Raushe, the 7-point statement, NDC National Communications Officer, at Babetu, just say, these are the Neoma, Akoswa, Ama, the flag bearer of the party doubted the neutrality of the current Electoral Commission chairperson. Now, sa party now call for female appointees na eka ho. Inti no so hunchiremu na ode ema Meaning the also wadwen ye be phone lines na hwa pem so madwen check kakra was answer me would go back na afi ne honorable Kojo Opon Nkroma etumi edi nkomo. Ye kosi sen so ne e wa Asempa 94.7 FM inti 0302216545 and 0302216546. Ubetimi afre ama yetie dia wonso wo ema emreba mu ebehwe se yebenya reaction of the NDC because they raised some of these issues on this particular matter. Na yetumi dia no so abremu we ko si san dwumedie yi eso. And me yenhwe na yemfa mo nso mo calls na ntie madwen kire wo ho. And 0302216545 0302216546 na yenhwentie won so adwen kire wo sansem yi nti bomoden na frey ye de na asestronko ema wona wo so ye na sen me ye de mehi asem segment no etumi de ebremo nti monhya ne so emfa ema yen Morg real estate eboa yen with 90,000 Ghana cedis no you can become a house owner 90,000 Ghana cedis unso betimi enya dan etumi adem na your days of renting amount for dan ne ade na twem so wetimi save when 90,000 Ghana cedis this is the opportunity for you and the Morg real estate now so be a house owner ubenya dan kama ademu awa wani beje fra 0248 845 342 0248 845 342 Bomari na friend na yentie dia won so wo ede emayen. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Obi na pom ti say.
Nyame ado me patcho hwan ni?
Me patcho ye feme Ochiman DC.
Ochiman me yentie o.
Ma me fanchi ama na me so kotu dwemu. Na me fanchi ama Ghana man peni papa bi. Excellency na na do dan kwakufu ado. Yewra Kojo Opon kuma oba ho no me fanchi ama no obo adwuma pa. Ofa. Me tie Electoral Commission ma me kasa na makoma asomeyem. Na se Ghana yinya ma omo hojo omo bre omo ho ase na nyansa wo mu trimu se no mo de jejuma pa ma oman Ghana ye betumpo ofa obekaya enya Electoral Commission dia o change Ghana local ye ko bisa no say I saw it I like it and I choose it Offer. Na ye can all the political parties so logo way logo way nsu yenyoma pani bia no obona paso so o ye na dwuma ye nya no nya na dwuma pa hwe maami we ba ho blase ne kasade a woni nsentrofo mpoka ye wogidi wo maami we mu fe obeto to letter commission na fe obi antimi anhwem na wulusu ya na onipa na ode ba na wulusu ye no na wo sa be contest bio. So only letter commission ni amen contest because the whole election now the show dreams so we be out there. Oh, so I wouldn't talk about it. Yes, more penny bia only letter commission ni no more contest. No more muji letter commission ni no more contest. Na yentimi Emma Ghana so dem na Ghana.
Ma na se ne mfa nipa fofre ko si san so ni e wa Asempa FM. Here some segment here dey brewe.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Obi, good afternoon.
Me ba chon hwan
Obi opare ni o.
Opare ka so free. So hu me ntio.
Yo, Obi. Me fa konya we so na mintia honorable Dakweje kum e wo ayensu ano. Na mintia honorable John Odru e wo New Jabin South. Na mpenfo e bo adwuma ma oman konkon Ghana fa ene opare ansa. Yo, Obi, electoral commission mami akata mampa Ghana for yakuma for yem. Mami yo papa. Sentia ena Ghana for e share ye nampa. Won so no di dem so be di electoral commission enim. Oba no kasa agbotoye mu sei. Onyankopon nsi amaame no we trese nobody opie no obetumi awia Ghana election mu e de amobia. Ampa ka de ne kura atwam tese strong room o 111 obia ye de ehu ne ekoto journalist wo nyina mo obi. Kan na ebetumi awia hwan. Nkuku aba bedi hu idede na wasate ye anase mu ne we. Ye tre omo maame ne nya adwuma because onimu say ne maame ne papa ne nuanom bi e wo Ghana nti onkoye ade a oman ne be de ebebutu ena na waka say Ghana say ya de no no obenya bi onya hwe mu nti no mo ma ne kwan onye adwuma pa na oman konkro Ghana ye nkoti say dia adodankwa asutu
na me mfa ni pa foforo. Good afternoon.
Obi, afternoon na kom to say
nyame ado me pa cho hwan ni
me pa cho me di abrewa me kasa free bubu ase
abrewa yetio
yo mate say ye boss ba ho ye wura kojo pon kroma papa yi ba ye be sorry na information ne da kwa no nyankopon hira no nso mo ne adwuma pa wo ye Obi he ewi aso ho sentokwa fon a na aso nya keka ana mini o tuma kan ye no sabi one kasa kwa wi electoral commission no wulusu more than 1 million votes enti no obi akoyi obi nti se de wuyi obi na wo ka se nipa mbra ma ye adwuma ma wo no wo wadwen ne se sa na obi anso dwen da bi electoral commission women anopay Obi apart from voice ya boy itie na wie e wo Peace FM na wutie ma me na ho brase e ne kasa the way I was be kasa to say yes or the public service no wa ye adwuma ho pen enti di amanfo kafa no nyina no ono Ghana e no wodwen no ho na mi bisa asem ba ko ebra na eje kum otia se da dempoli e so e saman na so sa kotra wudom nya what helicopter e dia ye campaign e lusu more than 1 million votes na wo sa be nante form e na usuro no tinu wa sa se chatem se kakai bi che wo no
na me mfa ni pa foforo e wo dwumedie so e kosi sen dwumedie so eni. Good afternoon.
Obi nyame asubwe enka papa
Even count so me pa cho hwan ni
Obama mesum e wo sumu
Obama yetio
yo mameja opon onkuma aye communication and information minister mameja papa na meja Dakweje kum e wa Yesu ano na meja opare e wo sumu minia yembusa yan wo say ye koye election party bia kita ni agent or representing na what you say na apart from say be to aba no be ria ye be endorse no big city no figures na was no aya sebi end this for again kan want to make kan tell one figures na
ma na se na me mfa ni pa foforo. Let's stay on course, no unnecessary attacks bia. Good afternoon.
Obi nyame chira
me ba cho hwan ni
me ba cho yahoza ni me frefi so Obi
yahoza me nti
yo Obi sebe chichipinti wo ho ejike Obi oman Ghana eye ba ko pe ye ni oman Ghana wo bebia bio na ye na enim se sebi ye ni oman bia na nke ye ka asundia wo ho pa asre na nke oman Ghana asundia wo ai eti sebi se nipa utu anamobi na so do felise ni awoye na beboa na amansai na se hey ni awoye ambo ma mi uyo part-time kena supomo na ye wo bido ni awoye dempa na wo hye se sebi ni peda ye tumapa Obi ye beto abana ma o anya kata sumu maso na mi nuza insha Allah nya mi beta abo a ye de bebo afor insha Allah this be wini
Mame Nasi Yahuza, Echiasu home for you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, me na phone to say.
Yami Adome, me pacho hwani.
Ghana Benny.
Ghana baby you.
Okay, my man fan chairman and I hear Rakojo upon Kroma. Papa will burn a home then papa. Now you would say Oban so then some panel blast and petty for Papa. Yeah, my man, James, and my man Monabaso. My man, Casta Honte, Necasa Engam. Now, our botre Yadi Juma. Sebi Onya Homaso, Onya Hantan, and the Casa de Emo, Papa Panti, Ghana, Funina, me would GDA pa fair. Ibenya GDA Kessia or Mammy Wemo. Send me a yena, GDA or Charlotte Semo, dear to my brain. Sani, what you did say, I'm not sure about. Quite Debra.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah, Obi.
Me pacho hwani.
Agbedefuni. Obi.
Agbedefu. Yetio.
Asempa na mafosi. Makole simon pasa pendiagro. Ochima no tafe jaro.
Agbedefu. Uni bibi aka ma me nko nipa foforo so why? Hello? Okay. Hello, nipa foforo. Good afternoon.
Yeah, Obi, let's say.
Yami ado me pacho hwani.
Munkaila Jonas ni.
Munkaila Jonas. Uo carry on.
Yeah, Obi.
Mami ntio. Me shawo minia.
Yo, the area say. Obi, Mahama, in Nkrofo. Omuni bibi account. Ghana ha ni official authenticate public office. Mahama babe kache say for no on digit message. In here so be the deal. Na here ne say yedi edumaso ama mamiji mensa. Say onhwe abato so. Nti say Mahama na hu say abato na eba no wadi nkuku wi a organize press conference. No can say Ghana for can say only number baby ekeka kasa egu sa akudai hu fin. Nti mesre no Ghana for ya to aba na asumde ewo Ghana. Hwe kasa ma mi be kasa e pesantwi bi anim ma me saloto say ba mi hu da kuku a waka twida. And I say, why be the chance say, Chen, Yamami?
Was it where who that crowd waka den?
She, no man, shall I say, Chida?
Charlie, yenye serious. My main fa nipa fufro. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sebons.
Me pacho why na menyano?
Sebons Abu yo.
Abu not then.
Oh, I know in zaman yo. Wala mumbi me so look wala sha in zaman today.
Abu yente, yes.
Hey, me tell my America say. First of all, when we check excellent incoming president, John Dramani Mahama, they're about to transfer. Then, Senator Charlotte says, "Oh, you hand over peace for other man and now don't know. What's wrong with Obama peace? You're about to transfer James and Major Mesa there. Oh, yes, some Latin 2020. Yam to call Ghana because then me amambulu kwa Ghana hano asutna am Ghana 5 wa fed up na now don't know. Mama on there, they about try to baby what I want and now. On your justice on for Magana, so put out no hotel fast bonko to the on your tell me on for Magana for. Now I am telling Caesar because if you are Mambuna on Koye, in Jabasa Sabosu, in Timami want to know, one of them want to know, especially now as a deputy no, or too arrogant.
Abu me nase na yenhwem fa this final. Oh, too bad. Went to me and you so. Good afternoon. Hello? Hello. Me bacho hwani.
Bacho from buying the Makasa Fita Crowdy.
Buying the entail.
Some say buying the Obi. Nimpano the book to go there, electoral commissioner Buria Benamun. Or don't know who be sent more chim, a corner electoral commissioner for the Ria Ben. Or don't be sent more chim, on kind of crowd a man didn't go. I'm asking one more chim there. When you offer William. So when 2 months now, we are, you know, then baby, we are friend on number church him. And so woman panic him. Masam Katrain.
Okay, Mamendase. Now, this final call. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Obi.
Me bacho hwani.
Oh, Obi, sorry. Over the forcing it, I just go down.
Hey, forcing not.
Obi, forcing it, I just go down.
Or to then?
Oh, Obi, Yamana do Marshall Papa.
Onye izo chale yente we.
Yamin sure, you must know. Na minchia wo wa begwafunya na minchia honorable Dr. Prince Amaba Papa. Na me brother, moko masam do a asema ya ka fa electoral commission chairperson no. Mpede yeyi amayesem yedifi. Oye ND Sabedo wa appointing Mami Jane or financial to say the same ND Sabedo no na wokoto aba oye NDC wo lose over 1 million votes. And today the chairperson of UC and the chairman of UC on to play a role beyond farmer ruling party on win. Ghana hire one BBI embra and semester NDC for 1 year election commission, 1 year again. Now about to reforms nation say beyond young woman or Sunday Ghana is bigger than MPP, Ghana is bigger than NDC. And to say when this now opposition you have to play a responsible role of opposition. Then over year 2020, say to me your correction year say Ghana football share me Asian na so wadwaba. No one get the everything na the people of Ghana they will oppose it whether being good or bad. MPC I did be na na do be awole bia no one pay why whether we are responsible opposition no we prove at Ghana for the even opposition they are irresponsible on non Ghana
mame na se force ne yemfa nipa foforo ekosi sen so ne wa Asempa 94.7 FM yentumi emfa calls no ebio ya da munyina asese mutimi efre yen ebia wono wentimi amfre o text message a WhatsApp line is 0546 382287 0546 382287 ya de to manim se ene yebenya information Minister of our Republic, Honorable Kojo Point Kroma Ewo Studio ha. On also a member of Parliament Edema of Fuasi Ayurebi constituency in the Eastern region. Wababe cancer ewa ha mema na kwaba na afi ya hwede ewo ho nti mo amodi kind of questions abano